Came across a question in your public pool dialogue on how to change the name from worker in your public pool for each one of your miners and where those changes are made and what it may look like on your application. I'm going to do that right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. When you log into your Umbrel mining pool, go to your public pool app and you're going to see the format and information that you need to be inputting into your miner itself. For our example, today we're using the Brains BMM 101. You're going to go over to the configuration tab and put in that stratum address that you saw here in the public pool. And the username is going to be the web address, or excuse me, the Bitcoin address, wallet address, plus that dot. So let's go over to the last part of that name and I'm going to name it dot BMM. And then in this case, it's just the 101. Now, when you hit enter, it automatically saves that name. So right now, if I were to go to that address, it shows me my workers and it's got the name worker because I didn't save it yet. So I'm going to go over to the miner itself, make sure I've made my updates and hit enter and it saved it. So I go here, refresh. Actually, let's log out and log back in. And there, you're going to see your address updated, BMM 101. Adding names to your miners allows you to differentiate which one's having a problem, especially if you have multiple miners of the same brand and make. What you want to do is tune back here for any questions like that and ask them in the comment section. If there's something I can assist you with, please drop us a line. I'll be happy to help. I'll talk to you later.